Hi, good evening. Welcome to our channel SciLogics. So today I am going to start a regular video by name and style notification reminder. The main objective of this notification reminder is to provide information about the notifications which were already released and the notification which will be released in the very near future. So let us start our video with the recent notification given by SSC. So that notification is MTS Multitasking Staff. So multitasking staff qualification is 10th class or any equivalent educational qualification. As on 1/1/2021, the cutoff date is 1/1/2021, and age is lower age limit is 18 and upper age limit is 25. The cutoff date is 1/1/2021. Last date for applying this notification is 21st of March 2021. So if at all anybody are interested to apply, do it immediately. Don't wait till the last minute. Sometimes you may not be in a position to apply the notification. So exam fee is 100 rupees for general and OBC categories, and for women, SC, ST, PWD and ex-servicemen category, no fee. So this is a three-stage examination. Selection procedure includes three separate stage. Stage 1, that is tier 1, there will be a objective examination online. So the dates for the examination are 1/7/2021 to 27/2021. So from date of application to examination date, there will be a gap of 4 months, which allows you to prepare well. And I promise you that the reasoning for this examination will be covered completely in our channel. So kindly keep watching regularly. So the phase 1 exam selection procedure, phase 1, it is an online examination. Objective questions will be asked. 100 marks is the total weightage of the examination. The topics are general English 25 questions, 25 marks. General intelligence and reasoning 25 questions, 25 marks. Numerical aptitude 25 questions, 25 marks, and general awareness, nothing but current affairs, 25 questions, 25 marks. Total 100 questions and 100 marks. For 100 questions, time allotted is 90 minutes. That means for answering each question, you will be given 54 seconds. And the second phase will be descriptive test. So in either in regional language or in English, you need to write short essays and letters which will be asked in the examination. So this descriptive test comprises of 50 marks and the time allotted is 30 minutes. So the third phase will be document verification. Once all the three phases are completed, you will be given job. And interested candidates shall visit www.ssc.nic.in for submission of application. So this is the notification which was already released. And now we will see two other notifications which are about to come in March and April respectively. So now the second notification is SSC GD. So this is a upcoming notification which will be released on 25th March 2021. So this notification is the recruitment for constable in the mentioned organizations CAPF, NIA, SSF and Assam Rifles, BSF, CRPF, CASF, ITBP and SSB. So this notification is for constables. So let us see the selection procedure and what are all the topics to be covered in this notification. So selection procedure is here. The qualification is again 10th and equivalent qualification. So I can say this notification and MTS notification are golden opportunities for those who has completed 10th class. And the age limit is 18 to 23, but the cutoff for qualification and the age limit cutoff date has not been mentioned. And once the notification is released, I will be making a separate video where I will explain each and every cutoff date very clearly. So for age, there is a relaxation for OBC 3 years and for SC, ST 5 years. Last date to apply this notification is May 10th of 2021 and exam dates, that is phase 1 exam dates are 2/8/2021 to 25/8/2021. That means again 3 months time is given from application to examination, so which allows you to prepare very well. So selection procedure is a 3-tier selection again. Number 1 is computer based test. So that is online examination, objective examination will be there. And number 2, phase 2, physical efficiency test. So there will be some physical test will be there. Number 3, physical standard test. Some body measurements will be verified. So let us see phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3 in depth. Phase 1, computer based test. So it is a objective test clearly, and it will have 4 topics. Number 1, reasoning, 25 questions, 25 marks. Number 2, general knowledge and awareness. So that means it will have static reasoning and as well as current affairs. Static GK and current affairs, 25 questions, 25 marks. Arithmetic, 25 questions, 25 marks. English, 25 questions, 25 marks. Total 100 questions, 100 marks, and the time allotted is 90 minutes. So each question 54 seconds is allotted. Phase 2, physical efficiency test. So that means it is a physical test of running race. So 5 kilometers for males and the time allotted is 24 minutes. For females, 1.6 kilometers, time is 8 minutes 30 seconds. And the third phase is physical standard test, that is height checking only. For general OBC and SC, 170 centimeters for male, and for female 157 centimeters. ST, 162.5 centimeters for males and 150 centimeters for females. So this is the selection procedure for SSC GD. And the third and very important notification is EPFO SSA. EPFO means Employees Provident Funds Organization. SSA means Social Security Assistant. So this is a huge notification. See the number of vacancies, 10,678 vacancies. So very huge number of vacancies have been mentioned in the notification, but the notification is expected to be released in the month of April. So qualification is any degree. So the cutoff date for age and qualification is yet to be mentioned. Once the notification released, I will do a dedicated video to explain it better. Now, age is 18 to 27 years. Definitely there will be relaxations for OBC and SC ST, that we will be knowing after the notification comes out. So selection procedure, this is also a 3-phased selection. First phase, it will have a preliminary examination of objective test online. So 3 topics will be covered in this test. English language, 30 questions, 30 marks, 20 minutes. Reasoning ability, 35 marks, 35 questions, 20 minutes. Numerical ability, 35 questions, 35 marks, 20 minutes. So that means 100 questions will be given, 100 marks, 1 hour. So 1 hour means for each question you are getting around 36 seconds. Not around, exactly, on average you will get 36 seconds to solve a question. So 36 seconds is very short time. So one should practice well to get selection in this notification. The salary for SSA will be, starting salary will be around 40,000. And next, phase 2 is a mains examination, again an objective test online. So reasoning, 40 questions, 60 marks, that means each question carry 1.5 mark. Time allotted is 35 minutes. General economy, financial awareness, so this is current affairs, 40 questions, 40 marks, 20 minutes. English language, 30 questions, 40 marks, 30 minutes. Quantitative aptitude, 40 questions, 60 marks, that is 1.5 mark for each question, 35 minutes. Total 150 questions, 200 marks. Time allotted is 2 hours. So again you will get a time around 36 to 40 seconds. So here, if you can observe, you need to score more marks in the area reasoning and arithmetic because it carries 1.5 mark. So you need to concentrate much on both these subjects. So after this objective test, you will be continued with a descriptive paper which will be in English, and 3 questions will be asked, one on letter, one on precise, one on comprehension. So it will have 30 marks. The time allotted will be 45 minutes. So here reasoning, arithmetic and general awareness will be in 2 languages. So that is English and Hindi, and English will be asked only in English. But descriptive is only in English, no regional language or Hindi is allowed. So this is phase 2. So 1 and 2, after qualifying and shortlisted in merit list, you will be asked to appear for computer skill test. So computer data entry, that means a matter will be given, and in the data base which was given to you, you need to type the same matter, and minimum requirement is 5000 key depressions per hour, but 1 hour exam will not be conducted. You will be asked to type the matter only in 10 minutes. So proportionally they will be calculating the number of key depressions that you can do within an hour. So once you are shortlisted for skill test, you are supposed to appear for the skill test, otherwise your selection will be rejected. And these marks obtained in the skill test are only qualifying, they do not count for merit test. So these are the 3 notifications. Now one is released and the 2 are going to be released very shortly. So like this I will be doing regular videos by the name notification reminder. So please do follow my videos for getting updates, and I also promise you the reasoning part for these all the 3 examinations I will be covering, so that you can uh, practice well and get selection in the examination. Thank you for watching. So please like my video, and if you feel that it is useful, kindly share with your family members and friends who are preparing for competitive examination. And I also request you to subscribe my channel and join the Telegram link which is given in the description. So please do watch my channel. Thank you for watching. Namaste.